Looks like it's showing our permissions off on the left with the readable, rewritable, and all that. So now we're going to make a script executable, step 23. Echo bin bash, if I could spell it right, greater than scripts bash backup script.sh. Okay, so event not found. So we're gonna echo running backup greater than scripts bash backup scripts sh. I'm gonna make it executable. Change mod x scripts bash backup script.sh. Okay. So now we're gonna verify that the permission was changed on it. So scripts bash backup scripts.sh. So the last letter switched to an X. So we can execute it now. All right, so now we're going to run the script. So scripts bash backup script.sh and running backup, which is what we want to see. Okay, so moving on to phase 7, which is backup and organization. So we're going to create a simple backup. So make directory backups backup. We're going to make it a date, the year, a month, and the day format. Now we're going to copy to documents, backup, backup, same date format with the year, the month, the day. Okay, so now we're going to check the backup. Backups, and there we go. Now we can see that the format is 2025, May 22nd. systems backup. Okay, so the backup is in the documents. Okay. Okay, so we're on step 27 with creating an inventory. So we're going to first find logs, system, file inventory. Log. So no file inventory log found. Echo total files. Less than logs. System file inventory log. Okay. So no file log. I don't remember creating it, so that would make perfect sense. Okay, so we're going to change directory and make random one text, random 2 pi, random 3 sh. Okay, and we're on phase 8 practice exercises. So we're doing the organization challenge. So we're going to move random one text to my projects, documents, personal. And we're going to move random 2 dot pi to my projects, scripts, Python, and we're gonna move random 3sh to my projects, scripts, bash. Okay, then we're gonna change the directory to my projects. And we're going to find any type of file. We got 21. Now we're going to find the type of directories. We're going to make it count 20. Okay, now we're going to make it find scripts. So any name sh or any name with pi as an extension. And we got 4 files. Okay. So now we're going to do the cleanup practice exercise 3. We're going to make temp1 dot or test1 dot tmp, test2 dot tmp, and test3 dot tmp. Now we're going to delete them TMPs, and we're going to check for any TMPs. And no such file or directory. So removed it. Okay, so after everything's said and done, should have directories all looking like this. And that concludes basically the first project for the personal file organization system. And I'll see you in the next one. All right. Later, guys.